Hello, myself Dr. K.W. Pawar from Department of Botany, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज R.B. नारायण राव बोरावके महाविद्यालय, श्रीरामपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, अहमदनगर. Friends, today I am going to deal on the topic that is the famous Indian garden. Okay, the topic is from TY-BSc. There is the paper that is horticulture and floriculture having the BO 325, and in that there is the ornamental horticulture, and in ornamental horticulture there is the topic that is the famous Indian garden. Friends, in last lecture we had seen the origin and the history of the garden. Today we are going to see the famous Indian garden in brief. What are the some important garden from the India? India houses some of the oldest garden design tradition of the particular world. It boasts of the several exotic and the beautiful gardens that are unique in their own forms and design. We know that particular garden having their own forms and it having the special designs. In we will see in next lecture, that is the style of garden. In that there is the particular specific style of the garden or specific form. Every garden having the specific form and or what we call the specific designs. Then the Hindu garden, Mughal garden, Rajput garden are the some of the forms of the garden that are found in the India. Hindu garden, Mughal gardens, Rajput gardens, that are the some forms that are found found in the particular India. So let us we start the what is the name of the garden. Some famous garden of India, not all. Name of the garden, place of the garden, state of the garden, and what are the important features of the particular garden. So friends, first of all there is the Lal Bagh garden. Lal Bagh garden, that particular garden is located at Bangalore in the state of the particular Karnataka. Okay, then Bangalore with an high altitude of about the 900 meter as a mild climate. There is the high altitude, and so that there is the mild climate, and it is therefore suitable for the wide range of the particular plant. So this place is suitable for the wide range of the particular plants, so that here the most attractive features of the garden is there is the large glass house where the annual flower show is held. There is the large glass house and there is the annual flower show is held. The total area of garden is again the 50 hectares. We can think about the area. The total area of garden is the 50 hectares, and the another attractive features or another attraction of this particular garden is the tall, majestic looking Araucarias. Okay, the another attractive features of the garden, that is the tall, majestic looking the Araucarias, especially Araucaria excelsa, which steal the eye of the particular visitors, or it attract the attention of the particular visitors. These tall, majestic Araucaria attract the attentions of the particular visitors. Then the three species of the tree, that is the Tabubia. There are the three species of the tree, three species of Tabubia trees again the prize collection of the particular garden, especially or wise Tabubia Orgentia, Tabubia Avellanedi and Tabebulia spectabilis. These three species are the prize collection of the particular garden. Then the garden also has a rich collection of the particular cassia, bougainvillea and hibiscus. Okay, there is the rich collection of the such type of the plant, that is the cassia, bougainvillea and the particular hibiscus. Initially, the layout of the particular garden was started in the year 76 by the Hyder Ali. So, these are the particular attractive features of the or special features of the particular Lal Bagh Botanical Garden or Lal Bagh Garden located at the Bangalore in the state of the Karnataka. Okay. Then again, next garden is that Brindavan Garden. Brindavan Garden. Next garden is the Brindavan Garden. It is located at the Mysore, again the Karnataka. Okay, it is located at the particular Mysore in the state of the particular Karnataka. What is the particular features of the garden? Garden lies adjoining the Krishna Raj Sagara Dam. This is the name of dam which is built across the river Kaveri. Okay, so the garden lies adjoining to the Krishna Raj Sagara Dam, means it is connected with the Krishna Raj Sagara Dam, which is built across the river. We know the particular Kaveri river, Kaveri. It is spread, the garden is spread along the particular or across the area of 60 acres, along the area of the particular 60 acres. Garden is spread along the area of the 60 acres. It is famous mainly for the particular illuminated running water, and innumerable fountains. Okay, it is mainly for the illuminated running water and innumerable fountains decorated by colored light. Okay, so the garden what is famous for is this particular Brindavan Garden famous for its mainly for illuminated running and innumerable fountains decorated by the different color of the particular light. Then the garden is laid laid in the three terrace. There are the three terrace which contain the water fountain, three terrace are there. Garden laid out the particular three terrace which contain the water fountain, then ficus tree, then foliage and flowering plants, foliage plant and flowering plants and flowering plants. Okay, so another important feature of the garden, there are the three terrace in the garden which contain the particular ficus trees, then there is the foliage plants and there is the again flowering plant is there. Flowering plant such as there is the marigolds or what we call the tagatus, etc. Okay, so this is about the Brindavan garden located at the Mysore in the state of the Karnataka. Then next garden, that is what? National Botanical Research Institute. National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. Okay, Lucknow Lucknow belonging to the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, NBRI, that is the National Botanical Research Institute, located at the particular Lucknow, and it belonging to the state of the Uttar Pradesh or UP. It is popularly known as the Sikandarabad Garden. Okay, or NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute, popularly known as the Sikandarabad Bagh. The present area of the garden is the 27 hectare. Area of the garden is 27 hectare. Then Botanic Garden serve as a national facility with three main functions: wise, conservation, education and bioaesthetic. Conservation, then there is the second function is what? Education, and third one is that bioaesthetic function. Okay, so the area of the garden is of the 27 hectares, or it spread over the area, that is the 27 hectares. Then the botanical garden serve as the national facility with three main functions. The name of the garden, that is the National Botanical Research Institute. Name itself indicate that there is the research institute on the national level. So with the three main function, national facility with three main functions. What is that? There is the first of all conservation, then education, and then there is the particular bioaesthetic. Then what are the important features of the particular garden? There is the large library is there, then the large number of herbarium, large number of the herbarium specimen is there. So there is the huge library is there. Then large number of herbarium is there. Then fine lawns is there. Then there is the rose garden in the NBRI. There is the rose garden. Then there is the rose garden. Okay. Then there is the cactus house, herbarium, library, rose garden, cactus house, and the lily pool. So this is the important feature of the National Botanical Research Institute or the NBRI. Then the next garden is that Rashtrapati Bhavan garden. Okay, the next one is that Rashtrapati Bhavan garden. As we know that the Rashtrapati Bhavan garden, that is the located in the particular at the New Delhi. Formerly it is known as the Viceroy's house. The Rashtrapati Bhavan garden, formerly known as the Viceroy's house. Then in the year 1950, in the year 1950, it is renamed. Formerly, it is Viceroy's house. Then in the year 1950, it is renamed at the Rashtrapati Bhavan garden. Okay. Then it is officially inaugurated in the year of the particular 1931. There is the completion of the work in the 1929, and officially the garden was inaugurated in the year 1931. So it has 340 decorated rooms and floor area of 2 lakh square feet. Okay, so it has the 300 decorated rooms and floor area is of the 2 lakh square feet. Okay, then it is famous for the quality and quantity and quantity of the seasonal flower. Seasonal flower. Okay, so it having the 340 decorated rooms and floor area of the particular 2 lakh square foot. Then it is famous for, or the Rashtrapati Bhavan garden is famous for quality and quantity of the seasonal flower. It is open for the 1 month to the common visitors during the winter season. It is open for the 1 month for the general visitors during the winter season where the flower is on the blooming stage. Okay. Then there is the next one is that Indian Botanic Garden. Indian Botanic Garden, Kolkata. Okay, Indian Botanic Garden, Kolkata, belonging to the West Bengal. Okay, belonging to the state Indian Botanic Garden. Indian Botanic Garden. It is located at the Calcutta, belonging to the particular West Bengal state. Okay, so previously this particular this one is the Indian Botanic Garden, is the previous name of the garden. Now the name of the garden, that is the Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Garden. Previously it was the Indian Botanic Garden. Now there is the Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Garden, establishes in the year 1787. Established in the year 1787. It rank, or the particular rank, great botanical garden of the world. It ranks great botanical gardens of the world. Garden exhibit the wide variety of the rare plants. Garden exhibit the wide variety of the particular rare plants and total collection of over, and suppose total collection of over 12,000 specimen. 12,000 specimen spread over 109 hectare. Okay, so there is it is established in the 1787. Then there is the wide varieties of the, it is attractive features of the garden is what? There is the wide varieties of the rare plants and total collection of over the 12,000 specimen spread over the 190 hectares. It is now under the BSI, Botanical Survey of the India. It is now under the BSI, that is the Botanical Survey of India. The most amazing and attractive features of the particular garden, that is it having the 200 years old banyan tree. It is the again most attracting features of the important feature or attractive features of the garden. Due to this, the garden is famous in the particular world because it having the 200 years old banyan tree. Then it has the 26 lakes. It has the 26 lakes. Then again important features are, there is the palm house, then there is the orchid house, and then there is the ferneries are there. So the for the botanical purpose, botanical study purpose, this garden is again important like the particular NBRI. So friends, this is about the all famous Indian garden, brief account on famous Indian garden. Okay, thank you very much.